Hi everybody, and welcome back to Hex Token Channel. Woohoo! So another day on the grind. Here we are, hex.com, and of course I am just loving it. I think these prices have just been a good opportunity for people, and hopefully a lot of people are taking up the opportunity to get those T-shares. Let's get into daily stats, folks. Here we are. It's day 718, just hot off the press, and 19th of November 2021, and the price is down 6.4%, but it's still holding strongly at this 20-cent mark. Very interesting position. Of course, we had a whale associated to the Overwatch group, of course, which is a listed institution, pretty much level, and they were talking about defending at 20 cents. 20 cents seems to be holding up at this moment, so we're going to keep watching that pretty slowly, not slowly, but pretty consistently. So let's have a look at the return on investment multiplier from the all-time low, which was the 5th of January 2020, and it's a 3,603x at the moment. Now, obviously, big payday, of course, was a year ago. So the 350-day AA lobby finished in on day 3 on the 19th of November 2020, and of course then the 20th was the big payday, so pretty nice. Let's get in here. We've got payout at the moment per T-share 5.859. Awesome. I mean, look at this. 4 days in a row been getting penalties on top of our interest. Nice. That's what I said. Stakers win, and that's the way to play it. All right, T-share price $3,970, so definitely easy, cheaper to get in more T-shares. So if you're after those sweet T-shares, it's cheaper. Now up 11.8. Nice, another increase. 19,516. We're heading towards 20,000, and of course that means it's more, you need more hex to get a T-share, and the only way of getting boosting T-shares is by a longer pays better, right? So just take that into account. All right, so average stake length, 5.85 years, so we're nice and strong. 10 days ago, we were 5.78, we're up to 5.85. Obviously, we've got a lot of stakes coming out, short term in particular, and stakes that were previously coming out after a year and stuff like that. Annual percentage yield rate, interest and early insight penalties, 37.63%. Nice, so that's the basic interest plus the penalties, and we love that. I just think the penalties is a great feature of Hex. Liquidity pool 151.1 million, and obviously we're back up towards where we were almost or just above where we were 2 days ago. So that's just reflecting the price. Liquidity in the pool 27.4 million and 1,059 ETH in the pool. So just reflecting the price there. Total value locked 20.65 billion, and the market cap 116.78 billion with the Origin wallet in there. T-share market cap 43.4 billion, and there's 10,936,000 T-shares. We've had obviously a lot of T-shares coming out of stakes, but we had a nice day today, 1,431 more T-shares, so maybe some people are actually listening and picking up some of those sweet T-shares while the price is favorable. Total supply is 636.3 billion, and 11.1 million hex has been minted. That means people have got that out of stakes that they've got, and because once again, if you make a stake, you burn your hex, and then you print your hex plus interest at the end of your stake period. So this is people that have get it reminted, so they are getting that back. Basically, it's pretty cool. All right, circulating supply 574.1 billion basically. We can see that 10 days ago that was 572.9, so we're up about almost 1.2 billion in circulating supply. You can see those increases here. So we do have a lot more in circulating. So what are they going to do? They've got three options. They can sell, they can hold for the copy on PulseChain, which I think a lot of people will do, and of course that means or they can restake short term, medium term, long term. So let's see. Remember that it is going to cost them more hex per T-share. So every day they delay, they get less T-shares if they are going to stake. So that's just the way that's going to go. All right, so here we are. Stake supply 62.2 billion, and that's down 10 million. And of course, that's just reflecting all these stakes coming out. So that's what we expected right until about New Year's Eve, so or New Year's Day, I should say. So pretty cool. Stake, let's jump past the GA numbers. Stake percentage 9.78%, and of course that's reflecting all the stakes that are maturing. So if you're staked, you're actually in the elite class, right? Because you're earning. This is what the hex is all about. It's a deposit, but no ordinary one. It's a supercharge, right? So you're earning amazing returns 37% APY at the moment, plus of course you just sitting back and relaxing, not having to stress about it. So it's cool. Penalties, 1.4 million, almost 1.5 million. Another great day in penalties. Beautiful. And we should enjoy these penalties all the way up through to the end of the year. Nice. Total holders 384,386, up 321. Current stake is 70,893, up 64. Total stake is 88,140, up 117. And current holders 268,934, 273. So as you can see, we're just continuing to grow. Now, before we jump on to the next place, I just wanted to go back and see what Big Payday was a year ago, which has been celebrated. If you haven't seen, Hexologist has done a 1-hour review video. Check that out if you want to have a flashback on the old 24-hour Hex party on Big Payday last year. We're just going to scroll back until we get to the right day here. I think it's about day 350. So let's have a look. I've gone back too far there. Let me just jump forward here. Oh, too far there. So come on, get it right. All right. So here we are. Here we go. It's 19th. So 353. Sorry. And there we are. 19th of November was the last day. AA lobby. We had price decreases here. Look at the price back then. Like, all right. So this is not. This is day 353. We're on day 718. We just finished, and this started day 719. And here was the price. It was half a cent. Down 25, and then it went down 30. Look at those decreases. Wow. And of course, Big Payday 354. So this is the pretty awesome stuff here. So a year ago, and you can see what the price was there. We're only at 63x. Could you believe it? What was the T-share price? $57. Amazing. And the share rate, of course, that jumped from here, the 18th, which was the last day to stake to qualify. And it went from 11,183 hex per T-share up to 16,000. Wow, wow, wow. Look at that day there. 4,892. Even had a nice big day there a couple of days later, 130. So you can see that was the big move, and the TCS making it so much more expensive. That's the key fundamental there, right there, right there. You're looking at it. So pretty amazing. So I thought we'd flash back to that. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Let me just actually scroll over to the APY of 3.93% there. And of course, that's way up now, 37%. So you can see fundamentals in Hex really play out strongly. Let's jump over here as well. We're going to go all the way over to the right here. And look at these penalties being paid out. Wow, 304 million, nice. And you can see it was pretty amazing time to get penalties. So those who just staked it and maked it pretty much. Now, the number of users back then, 29,974. And of course, now you know we're way up now. So current holders 193, and we'll be up at 268 now. So pretty amazing stuff there. Fantastic growth in a year. All right, let's jump over to the PulseChain timeline overlaid on the Hex chart. We can see we're waiting for PulseChain. So we are on the 20th. We're waiting for PulseChain here. We're waiting for the improved validator rotation, the branded block scout, block explorer, and of course the big thing, the initial distributions. So we're looking for that as well. So Richard did talk about that in this video yesterday. Pretty exciting. So looking for this, I'm going to give a quick update on this just at the end of the video, just where this is at. So nice. And of course, we've got the big payday birthday coming up, 2nd of December, day 731. We're on day 719 now. So not only was it 12 days away, pretty close. So pretty cool. All right, so let's jump over to the Hex whale bot. I think we are. No, we're not. We're going over to the charts here and have a look at the real time. So the price at the moment 20.25 cents, and the share rate rate is 3,952. We can see that that's leveling off. Can you see this? It's kind of leveling off there in the chart. We obviously have a big pullback. Kind of looks like it's leveling off to me. So interesting stuff time there. And let's go look at the share rate, share price just up and to the right. And obviously we'll wait till we get some more data for that. And so that's the two things that are determining the gold. The gold share rate determined by the X price and the share price, which is up and to the right. And we're heading towards 20,000. Look at that. Teasing. Of course, the Hex paydays have been really good. Look at that. You can see actually a little rise with all those penalties we've been enjoying the last few days. We're going to keep enjoying those right up till the New Year's. So nice. We've got the adoption, of course, looking great with the wallets and staking. Nice. And of course, down the bottom here, we've got expiring stakes. So we've got them all coming out the front here. Then they're going to be dispersed. I think they're going to be quite dispersed after that, and we'll see how much gets liquid holding at the moment. All right, so pretty cool. Let's have a look at the staking in more detail. So we looked at the 15-year view. This is now the 4-month view, and you can see that we've got these stakes coming out today: 278, 256 tomorrow. Sort of white lightens off there, lightens off. 287 coming up. Then the big ones, of course, the 1st of December, 2nd of December. We've got 800 million there, 475 there, so 1.2 billion. 1.3 billion there, and then we've got a big gap all the way through to the 17th of December. We've got 689 million there, and then we get right through to the end, the last big candle, 578. 578, and we've got 248. So pretty cool. By the time we get to the 2nd of January, we've got 617,000 T-shares expiring, or 600,000 if you go to the first. So that's that crimson line on the back there. Now, like I say, what are they going to do? They can hold, get it for a copy on PulseChain too. They can sell, they can restake short, medium, long term. Obviously, the share price is going up and to the right. So if they are going to stake, they've got to get into it as well. So nice. All right, it's very cool. Let's quickly check on a PulseChain, and we can see that 8 hours ago there was an update in the Go post on the GitLab. So this has got to be queuing up for this week. Richard said it's very likely this week. It's already, if it's not this week, that'd be a week delay. So it was, remember, it's going to be the previous week if we go back to the timeline. Let me just get back up to the timeline here. So the timeline was, we got it here back on the 3rd, and it was going to be this week or next week. So obviously we are drifting into the 3rd week. So if it starts now, that's going to be cool. That would be really neat. So hopefully we'll see it in the next 24, 48 hours. And then hopefully he said he would rather it be shorter. So hopefully that's going to be a 7 to 9 days is the case, because we've got 12 days to the 2nd of December. And that would be perfect timing, wouldn't it, to announce at least the fork or something like that. So very cool. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed that. Feel free to subscribe, like, and share. Hit the bell, of course. Definitely check out Hexologist. Got a couple good videos. Got a video on the 1-year summary of the 24-hour party for Big Payday last year, and of course, also doing a live stream now, pretty much with HODL, so which is something I've been hoping they would do for a long time. So Hexologist and HODL live streaming. So definitely check that out. All right, hope you enjoyed that. Catch me. I've got to do a couple more videos for around Hex, so hopefully you enjoy that too. And feel free to subscribe, like, definitely share, hit the bell for more videos. And I love your comments. Get into the comments, folks. It's going to be a fun time ahead. Remember, when there's fear in the market, it's opportunity, right? Opportunity. So cool. All right, take care, enjoy yourself, and bye for now.